guys, so I was in the lobby for a little while. Finally was able to get my room. While I was down in the lobby, I was able to have, they greeted me with, like I said, the coconut water. I had a pina colada. I was able to get my wristband. That's something that's really cool about this resort is you get this wristband and it actually works as your room key. So you don't have to worry about carrying a key around because guess what? This is my key for the next few days to get into my room. And let me show you guys what my room looks like here. So this is my room, you guys. Has the nice tub with the jets, or I guess that might be called like a jacuzzi. There's the, I guess the sink area. Has these two doors. One side is for the toilet, one side is for the shower. So it has a nice walk-in shower that has lots of space, as well as the block window that provides like some nice natural light. Then y'all don't want to see that, but hey, that's just the toilet area in there. Then over here they do got the robes on one side. On the other side they have a steamer to steam your clothes, as well as a safe, and then they got a scale in there. I'm looking like, what do they got a scale in there for? Who wants to be weighing themselves when they on vacation? Not me, not me. So, and then they got this nice mirror there. What I really want to get to show you guys is outside, but they got the nice beds, nice bedding, nice ceiling fan to help keep it cool. And then this is an all-inclusive, so you can actually order bottles of wine and champagne through room service. Room service is included with your stay here, and then this is just the fridge for like the mini bar with the sodas and soft drinks and things like that. But you can actually order bottles of champagne and bottles of wine and have them delivered. Got the television. And then I want you guys to just kind of come outside with me and see this nice view that I get to see for the next few days. I keep not knowing how to open this door, but this is what I'll be able to come out and look at the next few days. So pretty nice size porch area here, or terrace balcony area. So it's pretty big. It's a pretty big area here from one side to the other. Look at all that space. Lots of space. Lots of space. And then I'm close to the main lobbies, just straight that way. And then can view like one of the main pool areas, and then the beach is just to the right, as well as the main lobby's just right there, and there's a 24-hour bar where you can get drinks 24 hours.